Hey there, I'm Heather, and this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Beachy Beach.
Today, we're overlooking the beautiful Gulf of Mexico from this two-bed condo. Let's go check it out. I love how large the floor plans are for these units. You've got all this wide open space, enough seating for everybody. You've got your dining right into your kitchen, again with seating for everyone. And I like that you've got a good solid granite here and updated appliances, because you know, that matters. This two-bed unit is over 1,200 square feet, and you don't find that often. Let's check out the rest of the details. And welcome into the main ensuite. You've heard me say this before, but I love just how expansive this is and the space that you've got in here. You're not going to be cramped into a tiny condo. And this ensuite matches the expansiveness of the room in the actual ensuite itself. You've got some extra closet space, 2 sinks, the nice tub, and a shower. I mean, this is perfect. And we've got this bedroom specifically with bunk beds and a closet. How perfect is that for added guests? So for more information, look in the description below. We've got the listing link there for you to look at all of the fine details. And don't forget, subscribe to our channel, thebeachshow.com. Ring that bell so you don't miss out on any other deals like this one.